Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We have a rate of growth of mass is km, where k is positive constant. Now we have dm over dt equal to km and mv dash equal gm or d upon dt of mv equal gm, or further we have this equals to m dv over dt plus v dm over dt equal gm. Now this is m dv over dt plus v into km equal gm. Therefore dv over dt plus vk equal to g. This is our second, and here we have let the terminal velocity exists. Now if it exists, then limit t tending to infinity dv over dt is equal to 0, and limit t tends to infinity dv over dt plus vk is equal to limit t tending to infinity is z. Now as you know, this is 0 plus k limit t tends to infinity v, that is z, or we have the solution as limit t tending to infinity v equal g over k. So it is the terminal velocity is given as g over k, which is the answer to the given